Okay, I'm getting ready for vacation. You know I'm always on here talking about a capsule wardrobe. A lot of these pieces are available here on TikTok Shop. I'll tag them. So I've got that complete set. I have that red skirt, that blue skirt, and then I have a whole bunch of maybe shirts that can go with them. So obviously that looks good with the red skirt. I might be able to get away with that, and I think this is kind of cropped. I'd probably wear a white tank underneath that, so potentially I can wear that with two different things. I have this black skirt on too, and I'm gonna throw that in there because you always have to have a black piece. In a pinch, some of those bathing suit tops could actually go with these too. So I'm thinking this is probably gonna be a yes. Now, this little cropped jacket is in a video I posted yesterday. The black dress, because it's one solid piece, is not gonna make the cut. I don't think, not on this trip. I prefer a skirt with a top. That way you really get more options, but this is a definite thing that is going to come with me. And then I also chose, look at that cute little kitties. I also chose scarves that have all of the colors in them. So this is a yes. Probably both of these lemon ones are a yes. This is cute, but kind of a disappointment because I thought the background color was white. That's a maybe. I mean, it hardly takes up any room. I might take that anyway, but I have my little scarves on the side. Here are some of the shirts that I picked to go with this. So this could go cute, obviously with the navy. And that would be really cute too with the white. And then I don't know about this because really it looks the best. See, I hope I don't have trouble. This is a real white. I don't know if in the light, if that's gonna look dingy. That obviously would look great with the black skirt I have on. Let me see. So cute though, I love it. I could probably get away with wearing it with the red too. So that's a maybe. I just love it. This is just so cute. All right, I thought about that again with the white, and I don't think that's gonna look good. It'll definitely look good with the black though. And I could probably get away with it if I wanted to with the red as well. And then this shirt, I love this. So that with the red, adorable. I might be able to do that. Let me see what it looks like with the blue. Ooh, I like it with the blue. So that's a definite yes because it works with two of the skirts. Okay, there's that with the blue. I might be able to put it with black. Might be able to do with that. I also have this little cardigan, which I think I'm gonna wear on the plane. That way I have it. I always have tank tops, so I'm sure I'll pick through. That red doesn't really match that red, so that might be hitting the bricks. But I've got a white tank top, and it does look pretty true white. And then that blue does look like it matches that pretty well. So those will probably go, I'm probably gonna edit that and take that out. But anyway, that is the basis of packing light. I only take a carry-on, so I have to have enough outfits to last almost 2 weeks. So let me know which ones were your favorites that I showed you.